We are proud to introduce to you the latest addition in the Famoco product portfolio, the FX105. It accepts payments in any way you want, from the back side to the front side with a front tap NFC. Your teams can easily keep it on an apron, a pocket or a drawer. The FX105 is 22% wider than a bank card, but is 220% more useful. We designed this device with a one-hand, scan-it-all purpose. In the case your activity is battery intensive, you've got a removable battery. We have designed accessories that allow the FX105 to always be ready to jump into action. The FX105 is the perfect device for doctors, florists, workers, restaurants, retailers, controllers, hairdressers, cleaners, and many more. There you have it, the FX105, our first payment device. Great features coming in a pocket-sized format which support your business needs. This is a small, lightweight and ergonomic Android mobile device. It will allow your teams to be more productive in the field without sacrificing their comfort.